We finally saw each other in the flesh.
Yeah.
Usually gabi lang lagi. Here, big boss. Sit now while waiting for
Yep.
So today, nandito kami sa Brew and Talk.
Ako yung ano siya.
This is the first time that there's an event for us. Bakit ba pag-opening, parang, okay, it's for the customers, we want them to be part of the community, but no one throws a party for the owners.
And this is Kevin, my husband, from Walsey Coffee Maliki.
Mag-aalam ka. Para makabawi ako. Sige.
Congratulations!